Is it really needed to worry on data? Let the data increase. What is my problem? Should I really worry? Is it so important? Well, let me tell you, every data point is important because it is helpful for decision making. More the data you analyze, more the data you will get the results and more profit. And followed by you will get to know that what customer likes and what customer doesn't like, right? So all of this is important. Okay. How many of you have joined today's course or today's class by seeing rating? Is there anyone who joined this course by seeing rating?
Yes.
If our rating was 1 out of 5, do you have joined?
No,
So this is where your
not even considered.
yeah, not
Yeah.
even consider, right? So that's where your
Yes.
customer will be checking it. Maybe it's a review or something, a rating, whatever it is. But in order to get data, first you will always go and figure out what are the loopholes of the complete system. So every data point is important. You cannot ignore that. And finally, we'll see technical terms of what is this data engineering. The other name of data engineering is ETL. That's your name. If someone is asking your pet name, just say that my pet name is ETL. What is this ETL? You're extracting the data from different source. As I was talking about CSV files, flat files, Excel files, JSON files, you're extracting the data from different source and you're doing the transformation. What is transformation? Maybe missing value treatment, outliers, abnormalities, special characters, white spaces, removing the null values, removing the duplicates. I can keep on telling about all this. So that's what you do as part of transformation. And finally, you load the data to your client. Now that is load. So ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and load. This is exactly what you're going to do. Okay. Now, is it really needed? Yes. If you don't have the proper water supply, your life is messed up. If you don't have the proper data supply, your roles are messed up. So if you don't have the proper data, then there is no other role exists. So it all brings the data into one place, right? It gives you more flexibility. Without data engineering, there is no data science, there is no data analytics. Remember this. And if the data is not good, then in that case, you will not be able to work in the real time. So for you, data is necessary and data should be like your blood. It has to flow from top to bottom, right? Now, here in real world, as I said, this is a report that the client sees and directly will not see. In the backend, it gives you a lot of data points, and that is where you will have to build the report. Building report is done by data analyst, but gathering the data and making sure that the data is readily available is what will be done by data engineers.